Oligoasthenospermia, also called oligoasthenospermia, is defined as a sperm alteration consisting of a combination of the following conditions: oligospermia, a low sperm concentration of less than 15 million per milliliter; asthenospermia, impaired sperm motility, where more than 60% are immobile or less than 32% of sperm have progressive motility. And here it's important to note that although the World Health Organization published an update to the laboratory manual for the examination and processing of semen in 2021, constituting the sixth edition, the truth is that it's most common to continue following the criteria of the fifth edition from 2010. In short, men suffering from oligoasthenospermia have a low sperm count in their semen, and additionally, they don't move properly. The consequence of this sperm factor is that the chances of sperm reaching the egg to fertilize it are lower, which delays a natural pregnancy and causes male fertility problems.